You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel. Hi there, and today, welcome to the video. We're going to show you today how to use Pool Putty Leakmaster by Anderson. This is to seal a crack in our skimmer box. We've got a hairline crack going right up this way, and as you can see, it is dripping out of the bottom here. So we're going to show you how to use the Quick Set Pool Putty. So basically, you're going to take off a piece that you got the inside and the outside. And you're going to go ahead and knead this until it's one uniform color. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so we've kneaded it up pretty good and you've got your uniform color. You got about 3 minutes or so to seat this in where you want to seal it up. And it is waterproof, so you want to go ahead and seat it where your hole is. Well, what we're going to do is try to also seal it on the inside. So we're going to take another piece and put it on the inside. Alright, so we did get it patched on there and it's starting to seal up, and as it hardens it's sealing up the leak. So it does work once you get it in. We did put a patch on the inside as well. We'll take a quick look at that. We also put a patch up against that wall for the crack on the inside. So we'll let that all seal up. And I've got no more leaking into my bucket here, so it appears that it is working. So as you can see here, our patch is working. It sealed up the leak, and we also put a patch in. It's not very pleasant to look at, but it certainly works. The putty, it's sealed up. And if you can see inside there, there's a patch up on the wall there. So, well, it's ugly, it works, and it stopped the leaking. So I would say, if you need to stop a leak in your pool, certainly pick up some of this pool putty. It certainly works. You just got to be patient with it when you're molding it so that it mixes well, and then just be patient because it takes a little while to harden. But it certainly is working. I had a massive leak here and it's all stopped. So thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please smash that like button. Thank you so much.